Good morning, dear children. Yesterday, in our chapter Omana's Journey, we have seen how the two best friends, Omana and Radha, had planned for their trip. But the plan was failed due to Radha's accident, and her family had to cancel their tickets. We have also seen that what idea Radha's mother had given to Omana to kill the time or to pass the time during her journey, and how through this idea Radha would come to know about each and every moment of their journey. And for the same, Radha's mother told Omana to write a diary during her journey. 16th May. This day, Omana and her family had started their journey. How they got in the train, how they met the ticket collector, how they had arranged their seats and luggage. Each and everything Omana had discussed here. Even in the same coach where Omana and her family got in the same coach there were two college students. They had the upper berths. Also along with them there was another family with their two children, and the children were of same age of Omana and her sisters. Now today we will focus on the further part of the same chapter. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey. Just as I had promised you, here it is for Radha. I will stop now because Amma had opened the tiffin box. Amma, Omana's mother. Amma had packed a lot of food. Dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and some mithai sweets. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. As Omana had started to write the diary, she had written where she sat and how she is now going to, why she is going to stop writing, because now she wanted to take her tiffin, a delicious food made by her mother. Okay, see dear, here are some questions. Why was it so crowded at the door of the coach? Have you ever traveled in a train? When? What food would you like to take with you when you travel? Why? What does the ticket checker do? How will you recognize the ticket checker? These are few questions and you just try to write your answers. We will discuss on the same questions tomorrow. Now see the next part. Again 16th May only. After lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we passed small villages. They seemed to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seems to be running in the opposite direction? Yes. Now again Omana started to write the diary. Now what she is writing? After lunch she is going to write. She wrote that many of the people had slept, but she was not sleepy. And what she was doing? Continuously she was looking out of the window. And what she looked? She saw many fields, but All were brown and dry, as it was the month of May and the summer days were there na. That's why all the fields were dry. Sorry, many of the fields were dry. Sometime we were past small villages. What happened? Sometimes they passed through the villages, small villages. They seem to be flying by. They means here villages, beta. Seem to be flying by. Have you observed or have you enjoyed कि अगर आपका ट्रेन बहुत फास्ट स्पीड में हो तो आपको अपोजिट साइड की सारी चीजें रनिंग करते हुए दिखती है, मतलब बहुत फास्ट फास्ट पास होती है वो हमारी विंडो से, या फिर हमें ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्कुल जैसे फ्लाई कर कर जा रही है वो सारी चीजें। और ये सेम चीजें ओमाना अपने डायरी में मेंशन कर रही है। अर्लियर इट वॉज रियली हॉट। हाँ, बिगिनिंग में तो बहुत हॉट लग रहा था। नाउ दैट इट इज इवनिंग एंड एज इट वॉज इवनिंग टाइम देयर इज सम ब्रीज। ब्रीज मीन्स gentle wind. Okay. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. अगर आपने सनसेट को कभी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा तो आपने जरूर देखा होगा कि सन जब सेट होता है तो उसका कलर कैसे होता है, ऑरेंज कलर का होता है। इवन स्काई का भी लिटिल ऑरेंज कलर हो जाता है। I have never seen it look like this in अहमदाबाद। अब वो क्या बोल रही है कि मैंने इस तरह का सनसेट कभी अहमदाबाद में देखा ही नहीं। बता सकते हो क्यों? ड्यू टू टॉल बिल्डिंग्स। बहुत टॉल बिल्डिंग्स होती है, सनसेट सनराइज हम देख ही नहीं पाते हैं। ओके, वी हैव जस्ट पास्ड अ स्टेशन कॉल्ड वलसद। अब उनको एक स्टेशन पास हुआ, उसका नाम था वलसद। द ट्रेन स्टॉप्ड फॉर only 2 minutes, but even for the short time there was so much noise. अब बच्चों, आपने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जब भी हमारा ट्रेन किसी भी स्टेशन पर स्टॉप होता है तो वहां पर कितना नॉइस होता है। पैसेंजर्स का गेट डाउन होने का और गेट इन होने का नॉइस। कुछ वेंडर्स वहां से घूमते हैं, चाय वाले कुछ एडिबल थिंग्स लेकर घूमते हैं, तो इन सारी चीजों का बहुत ज्यादा नॉइस होता है। देन इट इज फॉर 2 minutes और मोर देन 2 minutes. ओके, सी चाय, गरम चाय। वन मैन वॉज कॉलिंग बटाटा वड़ा, बटाटा वड़ा। पूरी शाक, इट्स शाक। शाक मीन्स सब्जी, वेज, साग। ओके, दूध, ठंडा दूध। All these things you have heard during your journey from the vendors. People were selling and buying food on the platform. अब ये सेलिंग और बाइंग का भी सिलसिला चलता रहा प्लेटफॉर्म पर। We quickly bought some bananas and chicus through the window itself. और ओमाना के फैमिली ने क्या किया? कुछ बनानास और चीकूस परचेज किए विंडो में से ही। ओके, now see, what did Omana see from the window? Just before 2 minutes I have explained, so you can write this answer also. What are some of the things that are sold at railway stations? कुछ थिंग्स आप खुद की भी बता सकते हो, कुछ वो थिंग्स जो इस चैप्टर में मेंशन की है, that also you can write here, and the further part we will discuss tomorrow along with the questions and answers. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day and enjoy Tana Pola.